How's today? Alex here, and today we're going to continue the last part of building Destroyer. We're going to finish off building Destroyer by changing a few things. First off, what we're going to first do is we're going to make a extra building. So what we're going to do is duplicate this sprite and then name this 2-1. What we're going to do here is we're going to make it look different. So instead we're going to erase. We're going to have one of these. We're going to paint. We're going to do that with smoke. With smoke coming out. I'm going to paint it. Whoops. Now why UUD? Oh, it's because now if that happens, it's because it's spilling over. So I do that and that to make sure it doesn't spill over. Now we're going to drag it here. And so quickly also so now what we're going to do with this duplicate, what we're going to do is take the eraser. I'm going to erase a little bit in this. I'm going to take I'm going to draw a bit of fire. This video is going to be a very short video because it's not much to do. I'm going to have a little fire. Duplicate. Erase that little fire. And burn another chunk out of this building. And we're going to make flame on. So again we need then we're going to have the building get destroyed even more to the point where even this part's getting destroyed. Then I'm going to put a little fire here. We're gonna have some fire burning the building down. Duplicate that. I'm going to erase all of this to finish off with that. So basically the building's burnt to a crisp. So it goes from that, look here, to that, to that, to that, to that. Like how this goes from that, to that, to that, to that, to that. So how are we going to do this second building? What we're going to do is we're going to make a new variable for this building, for this sprite only. So you click this, called building selected, and hit OK. I'm going to hide that, so building selected. Set building selected to pick random, 1 or 2. And then depending on which building was selected, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take this. If building selected in fact is So if building selected is 1, so we selected the first building, we're going to load up the first building sprite. And in fact, I'm going to put it in an if else. I'm going to put this in an if else. So this, that. Oh wait, no, I'm doing this wrong. This. And then here, I'm going to set it to 2, 1. So, bang. So now, if we load it up, it will randomly generate. It'll choose between one of the buildings. So this is good. So now we just gotta. So if we got that building again, the thing is that happens. That's not good. So what we gotta do is we gotta duplicate this, and then here says that we're going to bring this all out, and we're going to replace this with that. Now this is a bit more complicated, so it might take a little bit of getting used to. So yeah, and we're gonna place that in there. Then I'm gonna place that in here, which is gonna have this in it, which is this is 1, 3, 2, 3. You might have to watch this video in a bit more slower manner before you actually understand it. So, if so, duplicate. And then we have that. And then, if so, duplicate this. And what it's going to do is it's going to spawn in the final version. 1, 5, 1, 5. Then you can just drag that straight in. Else, if. If else. Okay, hold on, let me do something. Okay. I don't know if this is gonna work. If so, that. Okay. Hold on, I'm just gonna make it so that I drain it by 100. Okay. And then we get the second building. Yeah, see, now it's working. Ah, well. Why does that happen? Because this needs to be 2, 4. 2, 5. So that means the error is here as well. 245. Then if we get second building, it'll go like that. And then, but the thing is, it always defaults back to this after first time destroying it. So to fix that, we're going to take this off, duplicate, wait a minute, what's this doing here? Okay, so we're going to place this Yeah. Now if we get the what is going on? Oh. Okay, if we get the alternate building again, begin clicking it. You can see that it kind of defaults to the when the final one, it defaults to the first one. So we don't want to fix that. What we're gonna do is to fix this. We're gonna take this. Gonna want to duplicate that. Put that there. There. So then we wait a second. And we do that. So now, if I were to destroy this, mega drill it. Sometimes I'll get the alternative building. At least that should happen. So far it doesn't seem like it's happening. Yeah, it's not happening. So why is that? Check back in the building. You would see. It says 1 second. Yeah, it should work. And why isn't it? Why isn't it? Well, I'm running out of time, so I'll leave this up to you. I want to know in the comments if you can figure out a way to solve this, and then maybe later on I'll post a video on showing how to solve it once I find out why it's happening. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe to me if you want to see more gaming videos, because I do those, but also if you want to see more Scratch videos, I do that as well, and I'll see you all in the next video.